The installation instructions of M1804. These are the accessories and parts you will receive. If you find any lacking, please contact customer service to get help. First, place the part 1 on the ground. Then please put the part 3 on the part 1 as shown. After that, please start to use the provided Allen wrenches, L-shaped brackets, and short screws to fix these two parts together. Then fix the part 2 and part 1 together in the same manner. Then fix the part 4. First, fix the part 4 and part 1 together. Then fix the part 4 with part 2 and 3. Put the part 5 on the assembled unit and fix it with the provided long screws. Finally, insert the part 6 between the part 2 and 3. Installation completed.